Welcome to MatheNatic. We are busy revising statistics for grades 12 mathematics, and in this video we'll focus on solving a variable using the estimated mean. So if the estimated mean for the data below is 16.5, then what is the value of k? So what we have is 3 intervals here, and we want to find the value of k, so the missing frequency value. We are told that the estimated mean is equals to 16.5. And in order to find the estimated mean, remember we need to use these midpoints. So the midpoint between 0 and 10 is 5, between 10 and 20 is 15, and between 20 and 30 it is 25. So in order to find the estimated mean, I'll take the midpoint, multiply it with the frequency, and I'll add all of those values up. So for the first line, we have 5 times 9. Then we have 15 times 16. And lastly, we have 25 times k. So this represents the estimated total. Now, the number of people in our study is 9 plus 6 plus k. So that is 9 plus 6 plus k. So that is 25 plus k. Now the question is solve for k. So if I have my estimated mean as 16.5 and I have the mean in terms of k, then I can find k. So the first line here, we take 16.5 and we multiply it with 25 plus k. So if I multiply that out, it's 412.5 plus 16.5k. Then we are left with the numerator on the right-hand side. So if you want to, you can move all the k values to the right and all the numbers to the left. So it becomes a simple linear equation. So that is 25k minus 16.5k, which is 8.5k, and it's 412.5 minus 285, which is 127.5. Now, in order to solve for k, I divide both sides by 8.5. So therefore, k is equals to 15. Now, I know my answer is correct because k is a whole number and frequency represents the information that we have observed. So we have observed 15 people in this interval. Or we can say 15 data points within this interval. Thank you for watching. Remember to show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to MatheNatic.